Hey, Shalon Winter here. As always, here is my risk disclosure. Trading futures is risky. You can lose all your money. Know what you're doing before you do it. So take a moment right now to pause the video, read through that if you would like. So, quick reminder. Apex Trader Funding is having a 50% off sale for all evaluations. That's coming to an end here pretty soon. August 31st, end of this month. Today is August 19th, so we got a couple weeks left. Get your evaluation, 50% off the first month and 50% off recurring months. It's coming to an end. Get your accounts before it ends. Now, this video, as you know, it's about a trader journal, right? Trading journal, journaling your trades. Very important. If you've watched my money management video, if you've watched my trader discipline video, if you've even heard anything I've ever said, all I talk about is discipline and consistency. If you trade well, you have discipline, you're going to be consistent. Proper money management, risk management, you're going to be consistent. But part of that also is journaling your trades, right? So you hear professional traders all the time, institutional traders, they journal their trades. Not only do they journal their trades, they journal their emotions to their trades. So that's very important because most of discipline and psychology and all that revolves around, losing control, what happened. We know how it goes. It's so easy to revenge trade, lose control, spiral down, like I could call it, or tilt. All that stuff is so easy. But journaling your trades is so important because if you've seen my discipline video or any of my videos, I talk about number one, you want to have a great strategy or an edge in the market. You do need that. Number two, you got to have money management or risk management. And number three, the discipline to follow that. But having a strategy, you need to be able to track your trades, right? Track them. I've given a free spreadsheet on doing that. That's great. Follow that. But journaling your trades is great. And I want to show you what I use to journal. I use this place. I like it a lot. It's called TraderSync. Okay. And it's online, an online journal. It has like over 200 plus brokers you can connect to. Some of them will sync instantly and upload directly. Some you can upload with a click of a button. This thing is wonderful. I love it. So I'm recommending it because I use it myself. Anything I ever do is because I use it myself, and I don't recommend anything I don't use. That's simple. Try it free for 7 days with no credit card required. So all you need to do is just sign up, put in your name, your email, and you could try this thing for 7 days. See if you like it. And you don't even have to put a credit card, so no accidental billing or anything like that. I would encourage you, though, to, if you like it, sign up for it, use it. They have different plans, different pricing, but this is the dashboard here, basically. So, and I'll log in and I'll show you what it looks like, but this is the dashboard. It's really, really nice. There's so many features. They have an app, both on the App Store and Apple Store and Google Play. So you can watch a little demo. My opinion is, watch a demo, but sign up. You have nothing to lose. Sign up. Okay, you can do so much with this thing. Journal your trades. You can put in patterns, your mistakes, all kinds of things. And I'm just scrolling down here real quick because you can look at all this on your own. But let's see. Market Simulator, they have the app so you can, check on your positions, not positions, but, check on your portfolios while, you're away on your on your phone. See over 240 brokers, stocks, options, Forex, futures. All sorts of different stuff. So it's very versatile. Here's the FAQ. So I'd encourage you to check out that FAQ. And let me show you here. There's some features. You can chart your stock trades right directly inside it. Of course, I trade futures. Targets and stops. There's some interactive charts, intraday charting. You can upload your screenshots, track your targets. They have so many analytics, notes. So that's what I use it for. I'm not interested in charting and all that. I use it to keep a track of my portfolios. You can actually have multiple portfolios. You can view them all together. You can filter them however you want. It keeps track of all your stats. You can actually go in per trade and type in notes, put in screenshots, put in, assign mistakes to your trades. And like I said, put in your emotions, because while you're trading, if you took a bad, this is what I would do. If I took a bad trade that day and I'm like, oh crap, I took a bad trade. How did it make me feel? Oh man, I wanted to get my money back so bad. I wanted to get that trade back. What was my reaction to it? Well, then after I go back in and I do my chart review for the day and I scroll back in the day, see what happened for the day, then I upload my trades, or I just click the button and it imports it. And then I go in there and I put my emotions. Oh, I took a bad trade because of this. I signed it this mistake. And then now I could say, because I made a bad trade, that sparked these emotions, which, spiraled into this mess, whatever it is. So this is just another form of self-discipline. So again, this is nice too. If you have an accountability partner, there's a very easy share button. You could just share it. It's a link. Send it right over to your accountability partner. They don't even have to have an account, although they should, but they don't even have to have an account. They can open it right up, see your trade, see your notes, see your screenshots, everything. It's great. Commissions and fees, you can add that in there. Let's see what else. They have all sorts of different reports. You could set up a public profile if you want, just your private one. Have a beautiful calendar view. I love the calendar views. So they have this feature too. It's an AI feature where it tells you, if you were to do this or that, your trading should be this amount. It's pretty cool. I don't really use that much though. Some simulated trading strategies. And a cool feature, I don't see it here, but a cool feature is you can set your management plan. Basically, your set of rules in there, and the trades. So here, I'll just sign in so I can show you. Oops, wrong button. Well, that's where you sign up. There's going to be a link in the description. You click it, and that's how you sign up. But let's log in here. Okay. Now, down here, so this is the dashboard. You can arrange this different ways how you want, okay? You can arrange it. And I'm just showing, like, there's all sorts of stuff you can do. So this is just like a example here. And let's see. If I go to here, so you can set your trade settings, public, private, profile, commission fees. Here's setups and mistakes. You can add what are your setups you take, what are all the mistakes, and each time you have a trade. So I can go here, select an action, assign a setup. I can assign a mistake to it, whatever it is. Shows your commissions, your profits, loss, all your stats up here. So many different things. You could filter, dates, portfolios, filter by mistakes, filter by wins, shorts, loss, wins, setups, symbols, all kinds of things. So many ways you can do it. So let me show you here, management. Okay. Oh, this is okay. So, okay. I'm going to let this play.
The management tool allows you to create a trading plan. So I'm going to create a plan here by clicking on a new rule. Okay.
Actually, I'm not sure if you can hear this, to be honest. I'm not sure if it's recording the computer audio. So I'll just tell you what it is. Basically, you create a new rule. Okay. Based on my setups and mistakes, and you create a rule in there that if you follow it, so you create a rule, it's like a step, right? And then you trade. And when you import your trades, let's say you broke a rule one day or one trade, and then over time, let's say a week went by, right? And maybe there was 2 out of 15 times you broke a rule, or let's say 3. And what it'll do is it'll pull up a chart for you that'll show how you actually traded compared to if you followed your rules exactly. So it'll actually show it together, right? Like a graph, like a chart, where it'll show you, here's you this way and kind of taper it off because you broke some rules. But if you would have followed your plan, it would have went this way or that way. So it's pretty neat. It's really cool. And I mean, that's really, so like I said, so you can go into a trade here, right? And see, you put in, it'll show your trade, which way, all the stats, your commission, your return, win, loss. You can set up your targets and stop losses, set up screenshots, put in your notes. Yeah, and then go back and review it. You can share it, print it, all sorts of stuff. But I really, really like it. Here's different things here. There's the management calendar view. Let's see. Yeah, calendar view. See, had a couple mistakes here. Late entry, moved to break even too early. It was in a range. There was things in the way, all kinds of things. So, and like I said, you could filter one account, multiple accounts. If you go to reports, they have all your stats here, all kinds of different stats. I mean, so many different things that you want to, that you can look at. You can look by the hour, by the week. I mean, it's just, there's so many things. So again, this is what I use. This is what I like. This is what I love. And it's part of my daily routine. Every single day, I get done trading. And then after I'm done trading, I shut down for the day, right? And I go about my business. And then in the evening, I open my charts back up. This is part of my plan. This is what I do. In the evening, I open my charts back up. I scroll back in the day, see what happened throughout the day. I review my trades that I took, make sure that they were good. I import. Let me show you. So import for me, because I use funded accounts, trader funding accounts. It's done through Rhythmic, and basically I have to import the trades, and I have to do a click of a button. So here I'll just import you in Rhythmic. For me, you click one button, it saves it, your trades for the day. Click one button here and hit import, and that's it. That's all I do. Some brokers you can synchronize it, so it just depends who you're with. Don't know why it's taking a long time here. So I mean, it just depends, like I said, on who you're with, and that's it. That's part of my daily routine, right? So I import my trades, review everything, put in my notes, and that's it. That's part of. And if you don't have a daily routine, you need one. You really do. That's part of why, if you're not being successful trading, then that means you either don't have a strategy that works, which most strategies do work, or you're not following a good risk management plan or discipline. And this is just part of that. Doing this fits into that, and I believe is 100% necessary. So that's all I have for this video. I just wanted to recommend this, and the links are going to be in the description to get signed up. Like I said, you have nothing to lose. You get a 7-day trial, no credit card needed. So check it out. And, if you're not journaling trades, start doing it. If you are, maybe this will be good for you. All right, I'll see you on the next video, and y'all take care.